Philippines. Today is Tuesday, December 10th. And before I start off, here is the usual disclaimer. Any comment, statement, or any verbiage stated in this recorded webinar should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. This recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how we trade DTA's Congressive System. Any past performance of DTA's Congressive System is not indicative of future results. Once again, this recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only. With that said, I must also emphasize that I am not a licensed trading advisor. Okay, so before we start, let's do this. I'm looking for the economic calendar. There's really nothing in the economic, no news. So what we're going to see here is more. Let me move this first. Just get there we are. Let me see, move this over here, which is good. And now what I can do is we can see here the chart. This is where we're at right now. You see, this is my naked chart. I also have my VWAP and my fib levels here. So basically this is what happened during the overnight session. Big drop. Then we finally recovered back up. Our overall trend right now is it looks like it's going back up. It passed the swing high over here. So now once we see that going on, we are looking for this to proceed on going up. It might go back down here to the, let me switch this over because basically it never, excuse me. So here, let me do this on this fibs because now we have a up momentum. So we see it right here. So we're looking maybe to have this come back to, right there's the level. Okay. So that's where we're looking to come to basically correct back down. We now have an official up momentum, or not momentum, but trend. This is another correction. It'll probably go down here and might go back up. We'll see what happens. Okay. So again, our trend is up. So we are looking for, we're going to be more biased to the up position. And I'm expecting not that much volatility since we are heading into the holidays, right? Just like yesterday, it was kind of dead for the first hour, then it kind of picked up during the second half of the morning session. So this is what we're looking at there. We have the opening now, and I might be looking to short this if I can get to that position. I don't think I will, so we'll see. Like I said, this most of my webinars last at the most an hour and a half. Hopefully I'll reach my target goal, which is 300. Whatever is going to happen, whatever the market's going to give me, that's what I'll take. Okay, but technically, but to be specific, my daily profit goal is 300. If I don't reach it, if I still remain profitable, I'm still happy with that. Okay, so whatever the market gives me. So that said, let me put this on mute, and I'll talk to you guys later. Yeah, that one on my first trade there, I went against the rules. I don't know what I was thinking. Again, sometimes when you try to outsmart or trying to outsmart the thing, if you don't follow the rules, you get yourself burned. So, like I said, I'm telling the students out there that we're teaching, that was a classic setup. I went against it and I paid for it. I need you more. There, I am positive right now. I just need one more trade. Rode, by the way, I am trading right now in Cebu, where I'm still in Cebu. I'll be here until Friday. And the place I'm staying at right now has great internet. So that's sometimes the hotels that we're doing. Yesterday we had like I said, we had our third day at our Gold Master class here in Cebu, our inaugural Gold Master class here in Cebu. And the connection wasn't that great at the venue that we were holding in. So really not great connection. And when I was trading the live market, but on a demo account, I basically lost some $100. My students, they made money, so which is even better. I'd rather have them make money than myself. So that's what I would rather do. And they saw how the setups were, how it worked within 1 hour. So hopefully I'll get back here with my live account. So I'll put this back on mute. Just need one more good trade. So with that trade, obviously I'm done. I just needed one trade, and here is my, should be over 400, right? Yep, there it is. 478 with net commission. That's 478 net, which I'm happy. So I took on all 1, 2, 3 trades, lost one, and I reached my daily profit goal. So with that said, the market was moving today as compared to yesterday. So with that said, I'll be ending this webinar. This took less than 30 minutes from the opening. Well, basically from the start, from my trade, right? Here's the opening, right? There it is, 9:30, and the time is 9:54, less than 30 minutes. So with that said, good night in the Philippines, and I will talk to you all on, let me see, today is Tuesday. I forgot, I have to do my webinar with my students, and that's what I forgot to do. So I'll see if I can do that recording for the students right now. Anyways, I got my daily profit goal. I will talk to you guys tomorrow, and God bless. In fact, I'll be here in Cebu again. So like I said, I'll be here till Friday, and hopefully Friday night I'll be back in Manila trading the live market as well. Talk to you guys tomorrow. God bless.